I'm just doing my thing. Then I learned that I'm already married. I'm already in love with Fezo. Fezo is the person who is doing great job in tasks. मैं थोड़ी सी हिंदी बोलती हूँ, Rajat थोड़ी सी English बोलती है. You know, like Mridul.
Yes,
So
Mridul.
speaking with Rajat was like speaking with Mridul. मैं nice हूँ, लेकिन मैं stupid नहीं. If Snake is smart, Snake will save me because it's neutral. And that's what happened in Dusra Snake. I was not playing two teams.
Yeah.
I just switched the team to Rajat's team and I was voting with Rajat's team. And I
हेलो एवरीवन, दिस मिराल शेख एंड यू आर वाचिंग टेली चक्कर। आज हमारे चैनल पे हम बहुत वेलकम करते हैं नतालिया का स्ट्रेट द 50 के घर से। सो नतालिया, कैसी रही आपकी द 50 की जर्नी?
well, all बहुत बढ़िया, I would say. The 50 बहुत fun show and मुझे लगता है कि ये better show for me क्योंकि it's more task based.
यस। डू यू फील एविक्शन जो हुआ था सही हुआ? फेयर?
हाँ,
फेयर था।
मुझे लगता है कि I stayed बहुत लंबा time in this show, you know, almost till the finale. And मैं outsider हूँ, so पहले when I joined the show, everybody were already friends from the outside. So for me, it was not easy to build friendship and trust. So मुझे लगता है कि staying for 21 days inside of the show, it's a both big achievement for someone from the outside of India.
अच्छा, बिग बॉस में भी हमने आपको देखा था। सो बिग बॉस से अमाल और फराना भी आए थे और कुछ कंटेस्टेंट भी बिग बॉस के द 50 के घर में थे, तो कैसी फीलिंग थी?
So मैं बहुत खुश हूँ to see my friends from Big Boss house. Farhana and Amal doing such an amazing job. It's so nice to see my friends doing careers and growing. क्योंकि we all are growing and Pura house, Big Boss house is doing so well. I'm so proud of everyone. And it was so nice to see familiar faces.
Yeah. Okay. थोड़ी प्यार मोहब्बत की बातें कर लेते हैं। तो आपने फैजू को मोस्ट एलिजिबल बैचलर कहा था एंड दैट वेंट वायरल।
हाँ, it was not my idea.
Yeah.
And ये नहीं Splitsvilla. So ये नहीं love show.
Okay.
And I was asked by Shrutika. I didn't know they will do such a बहुत big thing from me saying that. लेकिन Fezu is the person who is doing great job in tasks. Fighting nahi, trying to solve problems. And that's why I liked him. And that's why we become friends in the show. Because I find him a great person inside the show and outside of the show.
अच्छा, आप कुछ बोल रहे थे कि मैंने कुकिंग भी की थी, मुझे हिंदी में मिला था दाल चावल। What you were saying exactly? Can you give little brief
about that I was cooking?
हाँ.
So पहले before the 50 show, I was in I was shooting for another show, cooking show.
Yeah.
And मेरी पहली बार cooking Hindi food, Indian food. Like there was a task to do paratha, strawberry cheesecake lassi, and chawal.
Dal chawal. Dal chawal.
Yes, this. Okay. And they gave the instruction in Hindi.
Okay.
And मैं थोड़ी सी हिंदी बोलती हूँ, लेकिन I don't know how I cooked it and I won. So Fezu was in MasterChef.
Okay.
So we had the discussion about the food and cooking also in the show. I think that's the moment also I told him inside of the house that I cooked Indian food. But he's cooking better, obviously.
Yeah. Indian food कैसा लगता है आपको?
बहुत अच्छा, लेकिन not too spicy.
अच्छा, रजत के साथ भी आपकी थोड़ी केमिस्ट्री देखने मिली और हैशटैग बना रजत के साथ आपका। नायात, yes.
रजत बहुत fun person है. Like मैं थोड़ी सी हिंदी बोलती हूँ, रजत थोड़ी सी English बोलती है. You know, like Mridul.
Yes,
so,
Mridul.
Speaking with Rajat was like speaking with Mridul. Same one. पहली बार I was thinking that Rajat really don't like me. Because I was in Dusra team and he said, we want Natalia out now. And I was standing there next to him like, huh? So from that moment to the moment that I'm playing on Rajat's team and we together, it was fun. Obviously, I know Raja was giving my name to
हम्म
send out, but ठीक है, ये game है.
अच्छा, शो में आपको कोई ऐसा लगा कि जो बहुत ज्यादा सुपियोरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स रखता है?
Oh,
या
who?
मे प्रिंस
Superiority complex.
या अदर एक्टर्स?
Well, मैं superiority complex नहीं, and मैं I work Hollywood, Bollywood. I did Household 5 with Akshay Kumar. I did Masti 4 with Ritesh Deshmukh.
Yeah.
Now I'm doing movie with Sanjay Mishra. I did 365 days with Netflix. And superiority problems नहीं. So मुझे लगता है कि superiority complex, it's rather ego problem.
ईगो प्रॉब्लम?
But yeah, मेरी problem नहीं. So I just let them be who they want to be. If that bothers you, then it's your problem, I would say. That's
अच्छा,
how I feel.
दिव्या अग्रवाल का भी इंटरव्यू हमने लिया था, तो उन्होंने आपसे जुड़ा एक सवाल पूछा था। तो उन्होंने कहा था कि शी डोंट लाइक यू, इज देयर एनीथिंग बिटवीन यू एंड हर?
So nothing happened.
हाँ,
I actually met Divya before because of Basir. She was also on Big Boss. So we had the chance to meet
Yeah.
once. I thought we are okay. Like, I understood in the show that she don't like me because she don't like me. Obviously, she don't need to like everyone. That's the word. But I know she was talking about me in the interviews. So मुझे लगता है कि people who are trying to clean their image by attacking others are just talking about themselves much, and that's it. So from Mary's side, there was no problem. Even when I was leaving the show, Divya said that now she likes me and she hugged me, but then she spoke bad about me after. So I'm confused.
ओके। इन शो आपने एक बात और कही थी लोगों को कि डोंट टेक माय काइंडनेस एज माय वीकनेस।
हाँ।
सो क्या सोच के आपने, व्हाट माइंडसेट से कहा था वो चीज?
So मुझे लगता है कि many people in the show, Ricardo, they thought that मैं sensitive हूँ and मैं easy to play हूँ and that it's easy to influence me. मुझे लगता है कि ये opposite. मैं nice हूँ लेकिन मैं stupid नहीं. So I see what's going on. Okay, Siri.
Yeah.
And even in snake task, in those snake tasks, I know what I'm doing. If I made you think I'm a snake, I do it because if you will out me and I'm not a snake. If snake is smart, snake will save me because it's neutral. And that's what happened in Dusra snake thing. So I think people who are smart, they are kind people and they are good people. They just don't let you cross the boundaries. People who are fighting and having superiority problems and ego problems, that's the people who are bursting and doing stupid moves at the end. So I wanted them to understand that you can think you can play me, but at the end, let's see who's going to be played. And I think that's the reason I make it that far. I was good with
somewhere कि आपका यूज हुआ है शो में?
I don't, because I didn't let them. When I felt in Prince team ka I'm there, but they use me as a vote. They don't want me in the group. They will send me to the danger zone or home. I switched the team. I was not playing two teams.
Yeah.
I just switched the team to Rajat's team, and I was voting with Rajat's team, and I was loyal to this team, so this team was keeping me in them. And I knew, I saw a video when Rajat's team is saying, we just keep her as a vote. ठीक है, at least I'm a vote. In Prince team, I was not even a vote. So I started as a vote, and dire dire, I built my position to one of the strongest players. I became a captain. I was winning money for fans. So I made my stand, I made my mark. But silent, without fighting, without abusing, without arguing. For some people, if you don't argue and you're not aggressive, then you're weak. Well, this is very not good thinking, I would say. And this is, yeah, Mary, I did punch shows in my life. So I think I know what I'm doing.
अच्छा, शो में ना वंशज और रिद्धिमा का काफी क्लैश देखने मिला है, शो में भी, शो के बाहर भी। सो उस चीज को आप किस तरीके से देखती है? यू नो अबाउट इट?
The one with Vanchaj, this is the thing?
लीगल नोटिस वाला था। या
मुझे लगता है कि ये थोड़ा too far with this legal notice, क्योंकि I said, ये game है, ये show है. She said something,
Yeah.
he said something. Both did something. लेकिन is there the legal notice is giving just I would say more spotlight to Vanchach. And to be honest, I like Vanchach. He's nice. And दूसरा thing, Vanchach is बहुत young guy.
Yeah.
Ridima is a bit older. So, you know, when guys are young, testosterone, they want to do, they want to be everywhere. They have that ego again that it's easy to hurt.
Yeah.
So you should know as someone who is in the industry for a long time that, you know, you just laugh it off. Just leave it, you know.
Let it be. हाँ.
Yes, that's what I think. Let it be.
ओके, लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. आपके रूमर्स बहुत बाहर चल रहे हैं एंगेजमेंट के दानिश के साथ. इज द रूमर्स इज राइट?
Marrying, wedding ring nahi. So I would say I'm married to my job.
That's smart answer. But, okay.
And everything will be clear in next 2 weeks.
Next 2 weeks, like
For
it's
sure.
a rumors only.
Rumors.
Okay.
Everybody love rumors. Did I said something? I didn't say nothing. I didn't post anything. I'm just doing my thing. Then I learned that I'm already married. I'm already in love with Fezo. I'm already doing so many things, and I'm not aware. Nobody's
Okay.
aware. Like in one thing for sure, I have two movies coming. One Bengali, Mary first Bengali project.
Upcoming project आ रहा है
Upcoming
आपका.
this Eid in
Yeah.
cinemas.
Okay.
And Dusra movie Gungad opposite Sanjay Mishra
Yeah.
coming also soon in cinemas.
Okay.
This is 100% I can.
लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, अपने फैंस के लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगी?
हाँ, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद for all the प्यार, all the support you gave me through the 50, and not only, it means a lot. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच एंड वी ऑल द बेस्ट यू टू आप आगे के प्रोजेक्ट्स और भी अच्छे से करें, हम आपको देखें.
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Thanks. Hi, it's Natalia Janoszek and you're watching Telechecker.